Hi guys, good morning. Well, not technically early in the morning. So, something has been happening to me since this year. Every morning around the same time, I feel sleepy. Yeah. So, usually it's around 11 a.m. I need to just get a break. If I don't get a break, anything that I do during that period it's just going to be like I will have to redo it. My full focus is not in there. So today is quite different because I was up most of the night. So sometimes when I wake up in the middle of the night, I still go back to bed and I wake up at my usual time, which is like 4:30, 5 a.m. max. Today I didn't do that. Instead, I got ready, got my daughter ready for school, took her to school. On my way back, I was really feeling sleepy, like it was so funny. I just made sure I kept the radio on, the windows were down. So I got home, I did a quick few things, and I just came to bed straight. That was like almost 9 o'clock. I woke up 10:30. So now my day is just about to start. This is my little immunity booster. Let me know if you want the recipe. Really nice.
As you start.
Hey lovelies, welcome to this beautiful space. Okay, so it's officially Val's week, and I'm like, ooh, where's my Val? You're watching me, are you gonna be my Val? You know that song? Valentine is coming, Valentine is coming. Hey, where is your boyfriend? Where is your girlfriend? You are sitting at home, lonely. Don't be lonely. This time around, we are going to talk about self-love. Like, who says you can't be your own Valentine? Like, seriously, tell me, okay? So I'm going to put you guys through on what I mean by that in a bit. I mean, just keep watching the video. I've done my skincare this morning, and I'm just feeling so glazed right now. I mean, not really glazed, but I just really like the whole feel. You know, sometimes you need to do that extra moisturizing. Besides, Harmattan just ended, and I just feel like my skin has been needing so much moisture lately. And in case you don't know what Harmattan is basically winter in Africa. Well, in most parts of West Africa, especially here in Ghana, it's humid, it's cold, it's sunny, like the whole combination of everything. Especially in the morning, I like it because it's cold, but later in the day it gets really dusty. Like, anyway, so I'll see you guys pretty soon. Enjoy watching the vlog, and in case you've not subscribed to the channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Join this family. Let's do things together, okay? And I'm like, what are we going to do? Yeah, self-love. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. See you guys pretty soon, okay?
got too overwhelming, so I started running. It stopped being fun and making myself numb isn't helping. I got to learn to deal with the way I feel. If this is reality, don't know what I expected.
Well. Hello there. How are you doing? I really needed this refreshment. Good stuff. Okay, I thought I finish off this vlog with a sit-down video. I mean, let's just talk. And just to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. So tell me what you have planned for Val's, okay? Let me know in the comment section. And may I also add on that you don't need to have a partner in order for you to celebrate love, you know? There is so much to celebrate because you've got yourself, and that's good enough. And that's even the best one of all. That's self-love. You can customize a beautifully composed message. Give to yourself something that you like. And speaking of gifts, I actually have my own gift right here, so I'll be opening my gift with you guys. Yay! Okay, but before that, something has actually been on my mind, and I thought, I should just communicate it here. Upon launching this channel, right? This channel was launched as a beauty channel. However, beauty is not the only thing that I'm passionate about, and I'm like, oof, what do I do? Especially things that I know I'm knowledgeable about. Some are really getting insightful as I learn and understand them more. So I just feel like there's going to be a lot going on this channel. Yeah, so basically what I'm trying to say is I have so many content ideas that I feel like someone is going to be benefiting from. And what's the point if I know something that is going to be beneficial to someone, and why should I keep it to myself? You know, you just never know who needs such information. All right, and it could be any kind of information. It could be something that it's even entertaining you, you know. Yeah, and that's why I actually never got to put anything as per what to expect on the channel banner. I guess I'm just going to stick to beauty and lifestyle, since most of the content entails that. Overall, it's going to be a little bit of everything. Yeah, definitely makeup, skincare, self-love, self-empowerment, self-development, like all of that, you know, and more. Definitely we are going to be doing vlogs, product reviews, and we'll also talk some money issues around here. Let me know if you're interested in that as well. Motherhood, like so many things, and also communicating things around business. I'm very much interested in talking about things, money, customer service, overall just sharing things that we encounter in our daily lives. But feel free to also share your suggestion in the comments, okay? Also, in case you missed my Valentine video, there was a giveaway question included, but it actually looks like no one figured it out. I kind of gave a clue at the beginning of the video, which was me talking about the time that I was filming. So I mentioned something around midnight, like it was around almost 4 a.m. Yeah, but I started the video around maybe 2 or something like that. So I was kind of sleepy and I needed to get the content out so bad, like, oh my goodness. And if you also look at my eyes closely, you also notice that, and also my false lashes that I fixed, oh my goodness. I was so tired. I didn't fix it properly. Besides, I'm not so keen about fixing lashes. Like I kind of struggle to fix lashes. This whole thing has just made me realize that content creation is a real struggle. Like people that were creating content before now, I wonder how they did it, because I mean, they made it seem somewhat easy. Like I really applaud them. What? Especially those that are creating content on YouTube. Oh my goodness, shout out to you all for all the hard work of everything that you do. Like it's so crazy around here. but we move. Like, you just need to motivate yourself to go on. So here's the promise to myself. I don't want to find myself in that situation anymore as a creator. And yeah, I just want to be more productive with my time in terms of delivery of content. I would just deliver my content as and when it's ready. I don't want to put pressure on my upload schedule, like meeting up with deadlines. I mean, you will try, but there's a lot of things going on. At the end of the day, YouTube is a brand, and whatever you put out there is just what they see. I mean, some people don't see all these faults, but I guess some of us, we just want to make sure that everything is on point. Well, I try to make it a decent video most times. Sometimes I make mistakes in my video and I leave it like that. I'm like, please, I'm tired. I'm just I'm done. Like, sometimes you just give up. And it's so crazy that some of these mistakes, people don't even see it, but I'm like, anyway. But some people really do see them, like, hey, what did you say there? What happened here? What happened here? But I mean, those kind of people, it's also good to have them around, checking on you, giving you direct feedbacks, and feedbacks are something that you should just take, you know. Yeah, anyways, enough talking too much. Let's unbox my gifts. Can you guess what I got? Can you just guess? Huh? Already I got a bouquet. I got myself some nice strawberry infused cocktail. Very nice, by the way. And I'm about to unbox a gift. Yeah. All right, so here is my mystery box. We are going to unbox this and find out what is waiting for me in here. In the meantime, check out my shirts. Don't you like it? Simple. This is everything that I am. And look at this. Black girl magic. Black girl magic. Black girl magic. Black girl magic. I'm rocking this, and I got them because I just want to remind myself of how fabulous I am to be who I am as an African girl. And in case you don't know, February is Black History Month. So in addition to celebrating Val's or knowing February to be Val's month, you should also know it as Black History Month. Okay, so anyway, let's get in to what is inside this box.
You done on me what was done on you. It's hard to forget, but I get confused. So confused, but I'm trying to be strong, and yet I still lose. Oh no, I'll never ever get a chance to go back in time. Even if I did, I don't know if I like what I find. Feeling intervention coming from what must be divine, divine, divine. Yeah, I forgive you for the things that you're not sorry for. I forgive the way you always seem to ask for more. I forgive the days you walked away and left me cold. I forgive you. I'm sorry it took this long.
Okay, so this brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching, be kind enough to share the video, like, leave me a comment, and ensure that you are already subscribed with the bell notification on. Much love. See you soon. Bye.